tropical rainforest. Now in the tropical rainforest there are 5 different layers of plants. So the topmost, these are outstanding height trees. Then the 4th layer, these are trees which crowns meet to form a large canopy. The 3rd layer is a bit lower, and then there are smaller trees. And then the 2nd layer, that are shrubs. There are woody shrubs and the herbaceous shrubs. They are 2 to 5 meters high. The 4th layer with the trees, the canopy, are 40 meters high. And then the lowest layer, the 1st layer, that is around half a meter high. There are tree seedlings and non-woody shrubs. And there's almost no sunlight reaching the ground. And it rains 4 meters per year around. There are some curiosities. There are flowers growing directly out of the trunk or the branches. And there are also trees which form Buttresses with their roots, so they stand in the ground. And there are lianes, they are basically hanging between all these layers, and epiphytes. Epiphytes, they are growing on seeds, on humus, which is lying in cracks of other trees. There are fig trees, and there are fig stranglers. And they are growing on another tree, they are going down with the roots then, and when the tree in the middle dies, and just the roots of a new fig strangler keep standing. And now there's another thing with the soil. It was thought that it was like a forest living on a good soil, but the tropical rainforest lives on its own dead remains. So new trees are growing on the dead remains of other trees. There are different types of trees. There are mahogany and greenwood and ironwood and greenheart, rosewood and ironwood and greenheart, and teaks and also other one. Now, and it is very many different trees out there. They are on a very small place, just an acre, are 50 different trees. And it is very seldom that there's a tree with the same type of another one, a tree which has another one of its own type standing in its vicinity. And there is the tropical rainforest now. It is in South America. Now again, South America, where the place. They're in Brazil a lot at the Amazon River, also in up to Ecuador, and also here at Uruguay, a bit down at Uruguay there. Maybe a bit in the north of Paraguay and Bolivia, and in Ecuador there, and in Central America, in Panama and Costa Rica, and in Honduras, Nicaragua, and then in Africa also a bit here at Ghana and the Central African Republic, there are more also, a bit then in Kenya, in Mozambique, and on Madagascar. In the western part of India, and also in the southern part of China, Korea, and then Indonesia and northern Australia also. And where is it? And that is according to Book 3, Part 22, Regions of the Earth, Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, written by Hugh Clayton, John Cole, Michael Frenchman, and D.H. Sinclair on the page 1084 and 1085.